Hey all, now this is not a clickbait. We usually get perfect output from ChatGPT or any other AI model, right? But we ended up spending hours just to format that document, like whether it is converting PDF to slides or clean the data just to make sure it's presentable or it's in a professional way, right? What if you could get that done just by simply typing, right? Well, Anthropic Claude just made it possible. Claude can now create and edit files directly. Whether you need a polished spreadsheet, a nicely formatted document, a slide deck, or a clean PDF, Claude can do all of it. Let me show you the new feature that Claude has introduced. Now, it has recently introduced Claude where it can create and edit files. Here you can see that it can create and edit spreadsheet, document, PowerPoint slides, and even the PDF directly into the Claude AI. Or you can do it via desktop app as well. Now this transform your receiving text, whatever you have inputted, into an artifact, not just a white plain text area, right? You can also upload relevant documents and get it ready for the return that you wanted to loop. Now currently this is available for Max and the Teams enterprise level plan, but they will be rolling out soon to the pros as well. Now what can you do? You can turn the data into insights, build spreadsheet, build PDF, that too into different platform that you wanted to inbuild with. You can see here the example that they have already given for the Excel, PDF, and the documents. How it works? So basically there is a setting where you have to go, it called as experiment, and I can just show you. Let me showcase to you. So once you go to the setting and feature, you can see artifacts which you have to enable. You can also see AI powered artifacts which you have to enable as well. Search and reference chat is something that you want to enable because it has the history of all the data or the documents that you have looked up. It has some weird situation for the either you can have analysis tool open or enabled, or you can have upgraded file creation analysis. Just make sure you enable it so that you can work on it. Now when you have enabled it, you have to also make sure that you have a connector for Google Drive, and you can even have the connector for different applications like Canva if you want to create a PowerPoint, or you can have drive search for if any document that you wanted to enable or you wanted to look upon, or you can directly upload as well. So let's see an example how it works. So I am just putting some data for small food truck company where I wanted to drive the revenue and just wanted to understand how I can have opportunity with the data that I am giving in a CSV file. Now once you hit the generate button or basically ask to run, it do the analysis from the document I have already uploaded. It get the insight out of it, do the comprehensive analysis, identify the business insights in the real time, understand how it can create a different chart out of it in an easy way so that I can understand, and create or generate a report out of it. So if you see, I have a report I can view from the Claude display or the visual, or I can have it open into the Google Drive. Now if you see, it's not a plain white text, right? It has all the data and the charts in a very easy way to understand, and from here you can do many more edits. And let's suppose I wanted to have an Excel to understand the model of different price point I can test, so that I can have more visibility on what data or the report is generated. So if you can see, right, it has started creating the interactive Excel pricing model. It is doing all the research at the backend side, running the script, and also making sure that it has very well documented Excel, not just a plain white, right? So if you see, I can go to Drive and I can see what exactly it does, and even I can update the data if I don't like it or something. So that's Claude has done. You can edit PDF, document, or anything. So stay tuned. See you for the next video. We are New Applied. Thank you.